Welcome to our channel. If you want to export call logs from Instagram, follow these step-by-step instructions to download your call history data for record keeping or analysis purposes. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Step 3. Tap the 3 horizontal lines menu icon in the top right corner to open the main menu. Step 4. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu options that appear. Step 5. Scroll down and tap on Account Center to access your Meta account settings. Step 6. Select Your Information and Permissions from the Account Center menu. Step 7. Tap on Download Your Information to access the data export tool. Step 8. Choose the Instagram account you want to download data from if you have multiple accounts linked. Step 9. Select Request a Download and choose the specific data categories including Messages, which contains call logs. Step 10. Select the date range, format, HTML or JSON, and media quality, then tap Create Files. Step 11. Instagram will process your request and send a download link to your email within a few days. Check your email and download the file containing your call logs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.